No, right there is good. Look. Thing doesn't have a flotation device, huh? Let's go. Go, 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 go.
Let's go, let's go. Head
Let's
out,
go, 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 go. Every man for himself.
We got enough spoons?
Yeah, let's blame it on there. Let's blame it on there.
It's gotta be, bro.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I flipped.
I got a video, bro. I'll show you. Oh! Where's your koozie? Nah, it's too expensive. I'm just oh, damn. Hey, you forgot his hat on. Yeah. Hey, watch out. Can you? How's that vapor treating you? It's alright, bro. That's an old town right there. It's faster than mine, bro.
Well, you raced. Who wins?
Me. I mean. You. Oh!
Watch out the way.
Oh, damn, they're crazy. Oh, let me get some Skittles. I'm not that hungry.
I have 3. We have enough.
Hey, watch out, bitches.
I was trying to fix my camera, you
What? Go ahead and hit your boat. It's your boat. Oh, no, you can't flip me. You can't flip me. You can't. Holy shit! You flip, we buy. Oh, it does? Yeah. This guy right here. Look at this guy. Who that be? Hey, grab his ass. Grab his ass. Grab his ass, Tona. Grab his ass. Well, Lisa said he's gonna get a touring kayak.
Something like that?
Nah, he already said.